Hi, I'm John Fernandez, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Marketing at Glia. Glia is a digital customer service platform that reinvents the way the financial institutions support their customers in a digital world. Over the past year, we've learned to do so many things from home that used to be in person. We work online. Our kids go to school online. We talk to our families online. We shop online. We now even bank online. While we're going to return to in-person in the coming months, especially for things like family, we're going to use online options as parts of our daily lives as we like. We're not always going to hop on a plane for a 2-hour meeting, and we're not going to always leave the house if we don't really have to. With customers flocking to these self-serve options, we saw massive adoption of what we call on-screen and near-screen voice. Instead of dialing a phone number, our customers started conversations directly through websites, customer portals, and the mobile apps that you provide today. Let's go through demos of both on-screen and near-screen voice. I'll start with on-screen first, and then we will go into a near-screen real-world example for you. In that example, we will see the power of Glia's near-screen voice to positively impact the results of a targeted direct mail campaign. What you see here is a demonstration online banking portal called Cortex Financial that we will be using for our demo today. This can represent any online banking portal that you currently provide to your customers. Today, I'm going to play the role of Sammy. You'll notice there is no phone number to dial here. Instead, I have a button and a bubble here that allows me to start digitally. Let's say I want to go into bill pay. So I'm on the bill pay screen and I need help. So let's reach out to that agent. So I'm going to reach out to Stacy and start an audio conversation. Hi, Stacy. How are you?
Hi, Sammy. How are you doing?
Fantastic. Thank you. You'll notice there was no authentication here. Stacy knew that I was Sammy. I'd already logged in through the website. I didn't have to do anything else because she already knew that that was me. So now she's going to ask me actually about my problem.
I noticed that you're trying to set up bill pay. Would you like for me to guide you through that?
So Stacy already knows what my problem is. She sees that I'm on the bill payment page and offers me to help. Stacy, yes, I would love help. She offers me co-browsing. As the end user, I must accept co-browsing for her to take control of my screen. I will click accept. And now I can see Stacy's mouse on my screen. She can guide me through this, lead me to successfully set up bill pay with no pain, no hassle. We can even escalate this to video chat if we want to do video and see each other as well. I can simply turn that on. And now I can see Stacy. Thank you for the help. And now we're in a video banking conversation. This makes it super seamless and very easy. Stacy, thank you. Imagine if I dialed that on a phone. We would have had to have gone through an authentication process. Stacy would have had to have asked me a series of questions to better understand my issue. She wouldn't have been able to teach me how to resolve my issue. Instead, I got to the right person. Stacy is trained on bill pay. The authentication was completed in advance. She had the context and education to provide me with the information that I needed, and we were able to easily escalate to video banking. Now, let's move to a demo of near-screen voice. We're going to go into the real-world example. The amount of work that goes into any financial services direct campaign is incredible. Prospects are matched with the best offer for both themselves and the financial institution. Historically, though, once that mailing goes out, only 4 things can happen. The prospect might throw it away. They might fill out the paper and send it in. They may go to our website, fill it out there. They may call into the call center to be guided through the paperwork. The last 2 aren't bad, but on the website, we don't get to guide the user through the process and ensure their completion. If, however, that prospect calls in and is filling out the paperwork, we can guide him without seeing those results. What if we could marry the two and get all the benefit of digital, but with the human guidance of phone? With Glia's near-screen voice, we can. This here is a view of the Glia agent desktop. This is what the contact center agent sees, and now Greg is going to play that customer that received that direct mail offering. Greg received a pre-approved credit card application in the mail. He's got some questions about that form. So he's going to see that number at the top of the paper and dial it. That goes directly to the agent, myself, who can help Greg with that problem. I'm going to pick it up. Hi, Greg. I see you're having issues with your credit card application.
Yeah, that's right, John. Just got this in the mail. I'm trying to figure out where to go from here.
Fantastic. Greg, you have that credit card application right in front of you, correct?
Yep.
And this is the form you had in mind?
Yeah, that's the one.
Fantastic. I can show you how to fill that out online to make that process a lot easier. I know you're very busy. Can you just navigate to the website for me, please?
Yeah, absolutely.
So Greg is now going to navigate to that website. Greg, let me know when you're on that website.
Yeah, I'm on there right now. It looks like I've got a lot of different options on the products page.
At the bottom, you see a button to generate a co-browsing code. Can you please pull that up for me?
Sure thing. Yeah. You ready for the numbers?
Absolutely.
78259.
78259. With that code, I will now pull up the screen that Greg is looking at. Greg, I believe this is your screen, correct?
Yeah, that's it.
So let me offer co-browsing. Again, as we just saw earlier, I'm going to offer co-browsing to help Greg get through that. Greg's really busy. He's got a lot of stuff to do, and it's during FinovateSpring. So we've got to get this done as quickly as possible. So I will offer co-browsing for Greg. Now with that, I can guide Greg to that credit card. So we're going to look at the banking options. We're going to go to our credit cards. And we can now see on Greg's screen the credit cards that are on for offer. Greg, anything here look really appealing to you?
Well, let's see. Let's scroll down and see what the options are. I've always, this plus platinum actually looks pretty good to me. I've always thought of myself as kind of a plus platinum kind of guy.
Greg, you absolutely are a plus platinum kind of guy. Let's go to the apply now and get this filled out.
Cool.
And again, from here, I can take you through that application process. Greg, thank you.
My pleasure.
What you just saw was a fantastic example of the power of Glia's on-screen and your screen voice. With this, we turned a direct mail campaign into a digital campaign, significantly increasing in results and getting the right product to the right person at the right time. Getting Glia up and running takes a matter of weeks, and the results around efficiency and conversion are transformative for our customers. If you'd like to learn more, check us out at FinovateSpring or see more at glia.com.